today's generation, there are a lot of ways to make money online, especially because the world has begun to just give millions of people thousands of opportunities that are super reachable. And I have one amazing opportunity for you guys today that's going to help you make some money online. And I'm going to show you all of the instructions about this brand new money making method. It's super effective, it's top notch, and the way that you can start is by What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, not only can you do this in the comfort of your own home, but you can even do this as a complete beginner. You don't need any skills. You don't need any degree. You don't need any experience. You just need to have a working device, a mobile phone, a tablet, a laptop, a computer, whatever you have within those. And of course, accompany it with a stable internet connection. That's literally all you need to become successful. And I want you guys to know that it's available worldwide. It's 100% free. It's jaw-droppingly amazing. I know you already love it. And it's super simple. You're not going to regret any of this. Make sure you watch until the end, and let's jump right into it. Now, you're probably thinking, what is this method? Before I reveal what this method is, okay, I want to give you guys a little something that's going to motivate you to work even harder. Now, this method actually allows you to earn a huge amount of money, up to $1,000. Now, that is huge, okay? So let's get right into it. Now, our first website, which is called warriorplus.com, right away you can see that Warrior Plus is all about, as they say over here, your profit is our business. So let's read up further. Basically, Warrior Plus offers best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform. They also house the leading marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. Now, to sum things up on what Warrior Plus really is, if that sounds a little bit complicated, it's a platform that is dedicated, that was made for online affiliate marketing. Now, I want you guys to scroll down a bit, and then you're going to see these 4 benefits that you can have when you sign up with Warrior Plus. First, you have sales automation. They already give you all the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell your products right away to customers worldwide. Second, they have thousands of affiliates. You can jumpstart your success by using their army of marketing partners to be able to get sales to your own digital products and services without the headache, right? It's super easy, without the hassle. Third, there are top-notch products, thousands of educational and software products that's going to help you grow your own business and or promote as an affiliate. Their marketplace has you covered. And lastly, okay, there's powerful tracking. Now, you're always going to be updated on your stats. People say they have the best tracking and reporting system they have ever used, and of course, it's true. Now, feel free to go through and discover and learn more about this webpage further so that you can be fully aware and informed about the platform and everything. And it's all transparent. You can see it all right here on the website. So read it through it, explore, and if you would like to, alright, so you're already satisfied with the details that you've absorbed, and now it's time to head on to the sign-up process. I want you guys first to let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Also, let us know what devices you use. Are you an Android user? Are you an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments, and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. The overall registration is super easy. Just a minute or 2 is enough to be able to complete everything. So expect that this is going to be super easy, super fast, like a little swim in a kiddie pool or a little walk in the park. Now, focus your attention to the upper right corner of the webpage. You're going to see the red button that says free sign up. Now, you're going to click on that and you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to be able to begin the sign up process. You're just going to type in your username, your password, your email address, and now you can proceed to the CAPTCHA. You tick this box over here. You're going to prove you're not a robot. As soon as you're done and there's nothing for you left to do, you're going to hit that continue button right there, and you're pretty much good to go. You see, it's super easy that it's already done in a snap of a finger. So welcome to your brand new Warrior Plus account. And the first thing that I want you guys to do is to head on over to the affiliate section in the upper portion of the page. You're then going to be taken to this selection of categories, and I want you guys to click on the one that says offers. And once you click on that, you're going to be then brought to another page where you're going to be able to access hundreds of offers provided by Warrior Plus. Now, you have to remember that these offers will then be the products that you're going to promote to other people to be able to earn a much greater income. Now, you're going to take a look at this entire thing. It's absolutely amazing. It makes your life a lot easier, a lot better, because you're going to be able to right away see the stats that correspond to an offer. So you can see the release date, the sales conversion, the RAV visitor, the value average, the sale and refund rate, and these are all very important stats in order to determine what offer is going to be perfect for affiliate marketing. Now you can browse through all of the offers to see the perfect one promotion for you. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you are loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? Alright, so to just save you more time and more effort, I want you guys to go on the search bar over here. Then you're going to type in free, and as soon as you've done that, you're going to see this affiliate offer that is named Free Unleashed Free Sales Machine. And I'm telling you this right now, this offer is a beast, okay? With these great, amazing stats over here that you can see, no doubt this is the best offer that you can get, the best offer that you can promote. So don't even waste your time looking for another offer. You're going to click on this offer. Then you're going to be brought to another web page where you're going to be able to access your affiliate link. But you must first complete the form for requesting approval. And you're just going to click on this button right here that says request approval. And then you're going to see this pop-up interface for the request notes. And you'll probably read that it is only optional. However, I want you guys to fill this up in order to really fast track your application as a whole. So you're just going to type in something like introducing yourself in a very smart, very professional way. Then what I want you to do is use the fullest of your resourcefulness and creativity to come up with a very strong, very enticing body for the entire and the whole message. Just to make sure that all of the elements necessary will be there, such as your desire to work with them right away. And also you're going to end your message with your final greetings and thank them. Once you do that, they're going to approve you, which means that you can now promote it to literally as many people as you possibly can. So how are you going to do that exactly? And that's what we are going to figure out right now. So pay attention, okay? I want you guys to head on over to the website called listjo.com, which is the main website for our money-making process in terms of getting more traffic. Of course, Listo is a platform that was made for creation and online traffic. And that means that it is a very profitable email marketing website. And in just as little as 5 minutes, you're going to have people barging in that affiliate link, visiting your website, using your links. And all you have to do is follow the 3 simple steps and you're pretty much good to go. So step number 1, you're going to sign up for an account for free. You're going to click on this yellow button right here and you're going to be brought to this page where you can now officially begin the sign up process. So you're going to give your first name, your username, of course, your password of choice, and then your email address. And as soon as you're done filling all these up, the next thing that you're going to do is tick this box right here, which is just to verify that you're not a robot. Also to make sure that you agree with the website's terms and privacy policy. And then once there's nothing left for you to do anymore, you can do the start this method you can click on this yellow button that says send my ad Jonah. You're gonna see your dashboard. So click on this section right here that says send mail, located on the left side of the page. It's then gonna bring you to this page where you're gonna scroll down just a little bit until you find this question that asks you, how many credits would you like to spend? So you're just gonna put in 1,000, then you're gonna scroll some more until you see this section about entering your ad details. Now all you have to do in this step is to paste your affiliate link from Warrior Plus on the field for the link. Then you're gonna put in a relevant subject, and then lastly you're gonna develop the content of your email. For the content, and all you have to do is put in some sentences, basically inviting other people to come join you in your journey, make them want to click on the link that you provided, and together you're gonna make huge amounts of money just by doing this online strategy. Now, when you think about it, it's like hitting two birds with one stone, because you're gonna be able to help other people and you're also gonna make some money for yourself. So it's super effective, super easy, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.